The alpha plugin is comparable to opacity in other programs. And the way this works is if we drag an object down here, and we'll put a material on it as well, and I go back into my function, and within the left hand side in the globals folder there's an alpha setting, and we can take this alpha and drag it right onto the container. When we click on the alpha icon, it takes us into the alpha editor. Not much of a choice here. All we have is a number percentage, and if I take this all the way down to 0, it reduces the alpha or the opacity of this container. If I take it all the way back up to 100, it puts it at 100% opacity. Now if you needed to fade something on within your scene, you could use this to fade it on. So we could take this alpha down to 0%, hit set keyframe, and then take it up to 100% and hit set key again. When we hit play, it will now fade on. Another way that you may want to use the alpha is, instead of using the plugin, you can come right onto the material itself, and there's an alpha setting on here as well. So if you need to reduce the alpha within the color material, you can do it in there as well.